Your lesson essential question is how can you use place value patterns to help you count by ones and tens from a given number? So we'll be counting by ones and tens from any number. So we could start at 42. We could start at 74, and we're going to be able to count by ones and tens. We'll be looking at those place value patterns to help us with this. So we can use place value patterns and mental math to count by ones and tens to 100. And of course, you know what a hundreds chart looks like. Here it is. So the ones digit will always go up by 1 from left to right. So here's the left. Here's the right. And if we look at these ones digits, no matter where we start, we're going up by 1. So ones digit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. We're going up by 1 each time. So we could start at 33, and if we want to count by ones, we know that that ones place, that ones digit needs to just go up by 1. So 33, 34, 35, and so on. The tens digit goes up by 1 from top to bottom. So if you look at our tens place, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So our tens digit, if we're counting by tens, goes up by 1 as we count. So we don't have to start with 10 and do 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. We can count by tens starting with 18, 18, 28, 38, 48. So we're keeping our ones digit the same. It's our tens digit that's changing and going up by 1 because we're counting by tens. We can also use place value patterns in mental math to count by ones and tens to 1,000. So notice we're adding another place value. We're adding our hundreds place, and this is just some of the this is just some of the numbers that we would see if we were counting to 1,000. So it's going to be the same. The ones digit's still going to go up by 1 from left to right. So remember, this is left. This is right. So the ones digit goes up by 1, 531, 532, 533, 534. Our tens digit goes up by 1 from top to bottom, so the same. We're looking at the tens place. 530, 540, 550, and it's the same no matter what number you start at. We could start at 532, and the tens place will just go up by 1 every time. 532, 542, 552. So, 2 rules to remember when we're counting by ones and counting by tens. When we count by ones, the ones digit goes up by 1. When we count by tens, the tens digit goes up by 1.